So Yoshiko, did you say today we're making a dish using spaghetti? I thought we were only focusing on Japanese food.
We are. This is Yoshoku, Western-style food adapted by Japanese. When the Meiji era started in 1868, Japanese chefs began putting their own spin on European dishes. Spaghetti Napolitan is one of the most beloved Yoshoku classics, and it's super easy to make.
So it's pasta that was introduced from Italy long ago and has become a nostalgic Japanese dish everyone in Japan is familiar with.
Exactly. And while you are boiling pasta, you can prepare the sauce. That means that it will be ready all together in 12 minutes or so.
Perfect for a quick and tasty meal. Then I start boiling the pasta water now. And in the meantime, you chop half a small onion, some small carrots, and half a bell pepper. And I see you're chopping up a chorizo too.
Yes, you can also use regular sausage, ham, or even bacon if that's what you prefer. Just chop everything.
Nice to have choices. Okay, so now we heat the frying pan on medium heat, add a tablespoon of olive oil, and stir fry the onions. After that, we add the chorizo, followed by the carrots, and keep stir frying. It smells good already.
Add the green bell pepper last so it stays bright and pretty. Then sprinkle some salt and freshly ground black pepper.
And now you move all the ingredients to one side of the pan, and you're adding more olive oil?
Yes, just a little more. Then I add 2.5 tablespoons of ketchup to the oil and stir fry it for a minute.
Wait, did you just stir fry ketchup?
Yes, stir frying ketchup makes the flavor richer. It's the Napoleon twist.
Okay. Meanwhile, the spaghetti should be cooked al dente. We drain it, but we save just a quarter cup of the pasta water, right?
Yes, that water is a secret weapon. It helps the sauce and pasta become best friends. Stir the pasta water into the pan, mix everything together, then add the spaghetti.
Aha, and we do that all nice and quickly to avoid sticking.
Yes, once the spaghetti is nicely coated, we are done.
Simple, colourful, and totally comforting. No wonder kids and adults love this dish all over Japan. Any optional toppings?
Yes, Parmesan cheese and extra black pepper are perfect to on top. Let's eat this mixed culture dish of Italy and Japan. Itadakimasu!
Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy cooking!